approximate line. Okay, so just select this one, or you can type rotate. So it will ask the select the object. This is my object. It will ask the base point. So you can choose this base. This is my base point, or this one. You can use any one. Okay, this is my base point. So you have to specify the rotation angle. So I will give 50. Okay, it will move like this. Okay, suppose if you want to um, go to original file, original line. If you want to, if you don't want to delete or rotate the line, means just press Control Reset. So redo, sorry, undo. Just select this line to last the object and give enter. This is my specific base point. Now I will give 50 in this side. So just um, check the difference. Okay. So if you select this point, it will go upward direction, and so it will go anti-clockwise direction. If you select this one, it will go clockwise direction. Okay, so these are the some basics. Okay, suppose we want delete the objects. Okay, just select all and delete it. Okay, okay, then um, so I discussed offset and explode is nothing but, suppose I'm going to create the rectangle. Okay, so just I'm not taking any dimensions. Okay, so explode. So now check. So it is a single object, right? So I'm going to create. I'm going to disconnect the edges between the this line, and this line. Okay, so just you can use the explode command. Select the all objects. Give enter. Now you can check. So you can get the single lines. So now the all lines are not in joined. Okay, suppose if you want to join again, just use the region command. Region. Okay, select the all objects and give enter. Now just check. Okay, so next we can use the polygon. So polygon is a one. We have polygon. You can create the same rectangle, polygon, and square, then hexagon. Using, we can create the you can create using polygon. Okay, so here number of sides 5 4, I will give 4. So it we can go use the, so here we have to select the edge method, and I will, okay, because 4 side, right? So we have to give the base side any one. 50, I will give 50. Just click here, linear dimension, select here linear, and okay, 50. Okay, because I have selected 4 side for polygon. So here I will select the polygon. Here we have to specify the side 5. Go to edge method, and okay. So now, because we gave 5, right? So I will give 50 for this one. Okay. So here is my linear, right? So linear dimension. But here in this one we have to use the align dimension. So this point to this point. Then only we can get the perfect dimension. So here we have to select the align dimension. Okay. So next hexagon we can get using polygon. Okay. So just select the polygon, give 6 sides, and a same edge method. Okay. So I will give 50 for this. So here we have to use the linear. This point to this point 50. So here we have to use the align dimension. Okay, next, suppose, okay, so if you want to delete any portion, any line or any circle or any arc, so we can use the trim command. So if you want to delete this line, just select the trim command and move the cursor towards the line, which line you are going to delete. Okay, this line or this line or this line. So here, because this, okay, 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 like that. So if you want to delete the line or any unwanted portion, we can use the trim command. Okay, so next, so we can use the text command for creating the naming as well as labeling and numbering like that. So here we use the text, go to text, and here select the single line text. So it will ask the start point of the text. So I will select any random or any point. Okay, so it will ask the height of your text. Okay, I will give 10. So I will give rotation angle 0. Okay, so rotation angle 0 means, okay, so rotation angle 0 means it will go horizontal direction. So just if you want to exit from the text option, just click somewhere outside. Okay, suppose it's the same text. I'm going to give some. This is my start point. So I'd say my 10. So rotation angle I will give sub 30. Okay, just check the difference here. Okay, A B C D. Okay, so if you give rotation angle, okay, 0 means it will go horizontal direction. So if you give some rotation angle means it will the text will move based on your direction. So angle, which angle you are given, that direction that will move. That text will you can get the text based on the angle. So you want to delete all, just select the your objects and delete all. Okay, suppose I will draw one circle. Okay, so okay, so I will draw one. Okay, I draw one circle. Suppose I want to draw the same circle or any objects. So um, okay, so for if you want to create the any object, duplicate object means you can use the copy command, or any complicated object means you can use the mirror command. Okay, so first we have to create any object. Suppose I will draw one rectangle. Okay, same rectangle as is rectangle. I'm going to draw in this end. Suppose this is my, okay, this is my center point. Okay, so I'm going to draw this, I will, this point to this point 35. Okay, so same center point. So from distance, so this end point and the center point distance is 35. So I'm going to create the object from this side. Okay, so opposite side means we have to select mirror command. Just you select the mirror command and choose the your object, and it will ask the first point of the mirror line and second point of the mirror line. Okay, so this is my source object. If you want this source object means we should give the no. If you want to delete this source object means we should give the yes. Okay, so these are the some basics of AutoCAD software. So in future we will discuss 3D as well as some different experiment through AutoCAD. So in future we will discuss. Thank you.